Starting off with the Lindbergh skulls. First thing I did was, let's see if we can get the contrast here. Took the skull and I glued the teeth in already, and then started to do some work on it. Hollowed out the hole a whole lot bigger than standard. The hole that comes with is about the size of this. This one is the Bucky skull, and as you can see, that hole is probably about an inch across. This one, you can see the difference between the two. I took one of the cutout bits, the razor bits, the one that has the flutes or the blades all the way across it with a drill bit. Stuck it here into the drill press, and then with it just ran it up and down the drill bit shaft to hollow it out. Tried using a jigsaw, which I finally got, by the way, right here. Tried to use that to cut up and back down, but that didn't, because of the upper part of the jaw wasn't letting me cut it. So use the drill bit there. Anyway, opened up the hole a whole lot bigger for the shaft of my plate. See, this is what I used. The rod end used a piece of stamped steel from decking. This for like 2x4 holder, 2x4 hanger for construction. I picked up at Home Depot, and I think they were like 43 cents each. Drilled a couple holes, as you can see, for moving the shaft up or down there, along with the to get it in line with the shaft of the servos, and it looks like it came out pretty good. You notice I'm just using all thread instead of a piece of machined steel or aluminum. Used a couple nuts backed against each other at the top and the bottom, and there are quarter-inch. This is a quarter-inch piece of all thread, quarter-inch coarse nuts, and you see the little ferrules there at the top and the bottom of the swivel, the rod end there. Those are just compression nuts from the plumbing department, and a bag of those, a bag of like 8 of those, was I think $1.50. So put those all together. I still have to cut the little arms to go to the servo here, and then put the rod back and forth. It goes between the little arm here and the arm here on the servo. This plate here is the one that I got from Jim Ghost, and let's see, where we go there. This is looking at the top of it with one of the servos. This is probably going to be just 2-axis for now. It'll tilt forward and aft, and it'll rotate. Rotates very easy. Forward to aft is pretty good. And then eventually I'll put the third servo on the side for the head tilt, but right now it's going to be just 2-axis, and it goes inside. I'm going to pause this for a second.